Hey there, riders and road warriors. Today, I want to share a story of thrill, love, and a lesson learned the hard way. This is the story of Julius, a thrill seeker, who found out why helmets are more than just a piece of gear. Julius had always been a thrill seeker. His motorcycle wasn't just a vehicle, it was his escape. He loved the freedom of the open road, the wind rushing past his face, and the adrenaline coursing through his veins. But Julius had one bad habit. He rarely wore his helmet.
It messes up my hair.
He would joke, brushing off the concerned looks of his wife, Mir, and his 7-year-old daughter, Lily. One sunny morning, as Julius prepared for a quick ride to town, Lily ran up to him clutching his helmet.
Papa, please wear this.
She pleaded, her small hands struggling to hold the heavy gear.
I don't want you to get hurt.
Julius smiled, ruffled her hair, and promised he'd be fine. But something about her wide, tearful eyes gave him pause. With a deep sigh, he took the helmet from her.
All right, Lily, just for you.
Her face lit up with relief as Julius rode down the highway. The usual sense of exhilaration filled him, but this time there was something more, a sense of security, a feeling that he had done the right thing, not just for himself, but for the 2 people waiting for him at home. Moments later, a car suddenly swerved into his lane. Julius had no time to react. The impact threw him off his bike, and he hit the asphalt hard. Everything happened in a blur. Pain shot through his body, but as his head struck the ground, the helmet absorbed the blow. He was dazed but alive. At the hospital, the doctor examined him and said,
"You're lucky to be alive. Without that helmet, it could have been a very different story."
When Julius got home later that evening, bruised but walking, Lily ran to him, her arms outstretched.
Papa, you're okay.
She cried, her voice trembling. He hugged her tightly, tears streaming down his face.
I'm okay because of you, Lily. Thank you for reminding me what really matters.
From that day on, Julius never rode without his helmet. It wasn't just about following the law. It was about protecting himself for the sake of the people who loved him. Every ride became a reminder of his responsibility, not just as a rider, but as a husband and a father. And every time he fastened his helmet, he whispered for Mia and Lily, because for Julius, the ride always led back home.